Welcome to Strategies for Building Wealth and Achieving Financial Independence. In this video, we'll explore essential strategies that can help you create a solid foundation for building wealth and achieving the ultimate goal of financial independence. The journey to financial independence begins with setting clear and achievable financial goals. Define your objectives, whether it's owning a home, starting a business, or retiring early. Having specific targets will guide your actions and keep you focused on your financial path. A well-crafted budget is a powerful tool for building wealth. Track your income and expenses diligently, and allocate a portion of your earnings to savings and investments. Living within your means is essential for accumulating wealth over time. High-interest debt can hinder your journey to financial independence. Prioritize paying off debts with high interest rates, such as credit card balances and personal loans. Once you eliminate these burdens, you can redirect your funds toward wealth-building ventures. Saving and investing are fundamental for building wealth. Establish an emergency fund for unexpected expenses, and then explore various investment options like stocks, bonds, real estate, or retirement accounts. Diversifying your investments can minimize risks and optimize returns. Compound interest is a wealth-building superpower. Start investing early to take advantage of this powerful concept. The longer your money stays invested, the greater its potential to grow exponentially. Embrace frugality and make intentional spending choices. Differentiate between wants and needs, and avoid lifestyle inflation. Small savings in everyday expenses can add up significantly over time. Finding ways to increase your income accelerates your path to financial independence. Consider taking on a side hustle, freelancing, or investing in yourself to enhance your earning potential. Keep educating yourself about personal finance and investment strategies. Knowledge is the key to making informed decisions and optimizing your wealth-building efforts. Building wealth and achieving financial independence is a marathon, not a sprint. Stay committed to your goals, be patient, and resist the urge to get discouraged by temporary setbacks. By implementing these strategic approaches, you can pave the way for building wealth and achieving true financial independence. Remember, your journey is unique, and with determination and perseverance, you can unlock the doors to a financially secure future.